Hello everyone, I am Yashraj Gore, and in this particular tutorial we'll be learning the basics of API testing with Rest Assured. API testing, as you are aware, is used to check the functionality, reliability, performance and the security of the programming interfaces. Rest Assured is the library which helps us to write the powerful and maintainable tests for RESTful APIs. Using this combination of testing the APIs with Rest Assured, we have designed a course for it. The first thing that we will be learning in API testing is the GET request in Rest Assured. The GET request is used to fetch resources which are located on the server. We'll be learning about them in this particular course. Once we have those particular resources, we need to confirm if those are the actual resources that we had requested to the server. In this case, we go for the verification of the resources. Following that, what we have is the POST request in Rest Assured. The POST request is used to send data to the server and save it over there. Following this operation of GET request and POST request, what we have next is the authentication and authorization. Authentication and authorization are used to confirm the identity of the person and give authorized access to the person. We'll be starting the basic authentication in Rest Assured as well as with bearer token authentication in Rest Assured. Following the authentication and authorization, what we have next is the PUT request in Rest Assured. The PUT request is used to update the resources which are located on the server. We'll be studying about them in greater details. Moving on, lastly, what we have is the delete request in the Rest Assured. The delete request in the Rest Assured is basically used to delete the resources which are located on the server. Having gone through all of this, we'll be following a particular format to make things simpler for us to learn and understand. Initially, we'll be using the Swagger tool to understand the HTTP request. It will help us to learn about the API and its associated nuances. Having learnt about the API in HTTP request in Swagger, we'll try out the same HTTP request in the Postman tool. The Postman is an interactive tool which helps us to organize the request and the responses that we are receiving from the server, and this helps us to learn the API behavior better. Having gained the knowledge of that particular API and how to use it, we'll try to write the code in Rest Assured for the same request we initially started for. This is the approach we will be following in this journey for studying the basics of API testing with Rest Assured. I welcome you all. Thank you.